You're overthinking bullet points. This one toolbar icon does the whole job. Most people start typing dashes or messing with spacing. That works, but it's slow and sloppy. Before clicking anything, place your cursor where the list should start, or highlight the text you want turned into bullets. Now look at the toolbar. Click the bulleted list icon. One click. Instant bullet points. Press Enter and a new bullet appears automatically. Type the next line. OpenOffice keeps the list going. To stop the list, press Enter twice, or click the bullet icon again to turn it off. This keeps your spacing clean, your alignment correct. No manual symbols, no fixing things later. That's the fastest way to add bullet points in OpenOffice Writer. No menus, no guessing, just one icon. For more simple OpenOffice shortcuts and fixes, check out the resources below. And like and subscribe for more quick wins like this.